What's going on, guys? New parts are in. Just want to do a quick unboxing real quick. I'm going to show you guys what we got here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and see what we got here for the Veloster end. New turbo inlet. Oh yes. Oh yes. Forge Motorsport. Alright, so we got the massive turbo inlet here. Whew! Look at the size of this thing. Oh my goodness. That is going to be sweet. This is the intake side, this is the turbo side. Super stoked, guys. Super stoked. This is the little flange adapter that goes onto the turbo. Got the clamps here. Got some goodies. Show this to you guys. So here is the flange that goes onto the turbocharger. Ooh, that is super nice. It says Forge. Super stoked. This looks like really nice. All right, guys, just wanted to show you that. Just got that in the mail today. Gonna go ahead and get it installed very soon. I'm gonna give you guys an install video on it, and then a driving impressions. So stay tuned.